Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brein Yaad, coming to you live from People's camp, and welcome to this session of the Jamaican curse words or insults. Bombo clat, anus cloth, a combination of two words, bombo, diarrhea or anus, and clat, tissue or cleaning tampon or piece of cloth. Usage of bombo clat. Number 1. Bombo clat is largely used for insult. It's a curse word or a swear word. Bombo clat is the English equivalent of fuck you. Fuck. You look like a used tampon or toilet paper. You look like kids. Smell like kids. You are it. You even eat what is on it. You are nothing but a used toilet paper with feces on it. Most Jamaican insults rotate around or are in reference to genitals, especially female genitalia, during quarrels, couscous them or bangrang them. Female genitals, female reproductive organ. How do you call it in Jamaican? 1. Pussy, punane, pum pum, nana, fussy, nookie, salt, bubal, tunti, front, ranking meat, punash, nash, tuntun, puni, Pookie, tuni, chocho, saltfish, salting, fishy, pums, scant, nanny, wife, cat, glamity, atbucks, bread, pork, cocoa, farbog, patacake, gyash. And the male genitals, male reproductive organ, is called khaki, wood, body, toti, tool, hose, pipe, anaconda, yadibon. Other common references to insult is the human rear or anus. And the human rear or anus in Jamaican we call it batty or ras, backside, bombo, batija, and anything to do with being gay. Just the word gay itself is a standard insult in Jamaica. And the words for gay or homosexual include batty boy, batty man, chichi man, bula, mama man, booga man, dopey man, fish, diggy man, bips, shim en, anti man, fussy, batty eater, pungai, Sadamite, Boogabwai, Lotion Man, Rompis, Funny Man. Another standard Jamaican insult is pussyclat, and it's a combination of two words, pussy and clat, which means any cloth or tissue used to clean or cover the pussy. Pieces of cloth used during intercourse are also known as tink rag. Another standard insult in Jamaican is blood clot, and it's a combination of two words, blood and clot. And this is used in reference to the female menstrual cycle, which means any piece of tissue, cloth, or pads used to control blood flow during menstrual cycle. So in insult, you look like a used menstrual pad full of blood. That is blood clot. Then the other standard insult in Jamaican is ras clot, which is a combination of two words, ras and clot, which stand for ass cloth. Ras clot. Any piece of tissue or cloth or tampon used to clean the ras or the ass. This is used as bombo clat as well. Then the other standard insult in Jamaican is bombo pussy ras clat, which is a combination of four words: bombo, pussy, ras and clat. In normal English you can call it son of a bitch, bastard. And the words for bastard in Jamaican include shalai baby, jacket, or 6'9". Then we have standard insults in Jamaican that are in reference to a genital plus its hole. For instance, bombo wall. It's a combination of two words, bombo and wall. Remember, the pronunciation for the word hole in Jamaican, we don't say hole. Instead of hole, we say wall. That's why we have bombo wall for asshole. Then pussy wall for pussy hole. Vagina wall, or meaning motherfucker, graduate imbecile. Then we have fussy wall, which means fussy hole, and it's for pussy hole. Motherfucker still. We have ras wall. Ras for ass and wall for hole. Ras wall, which is definitely asshole. Jamaica. No time for play. Anyways, another insult category is dissing something positive, or when one is in disagreement with. I give you an example. You have a friend. He's talking about how cute this girl is, how nice she is, how beautiful she is, and the guy is like, yo, tell you what, me link up some cute girl, you know. So the friend is like, okay, cute me ass. Meaning, cute my ass. The listener is not interested. Cute me ass. And they go ahead to say, me no G blood clot. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Me no G blood clot. My dad is rich. He's so rich. He's a don. Me father rich. Him a don. Then the listener is, reach me backside. Reach my ass. You sure about that? Me no G bombo clat. I don't give a fuck. Reach me backside. Reach my ass. Then a lady is talking about how clever his boy is. Clever me pum pum. And the neighbor says, clever me pum pum, clever my pussy. So that is dissing something positive or showing total disapproval or disagreement. Then another insult category is in reference to sucking one's mother, sucking one's mom. Jamaicans say, suck your mama, suck your sour mother, suck your mama dry, suck your mama pussy, suck your sour mama pussy, suck your mother, jink just utter your sour mama pussy. This was so common with the one name Teddy Blackshirt, the Axe, the Dan Dada, Louis Ranky. Rest in peace, Brein. May Jah judge you with Wally Palmas, Don't know. Alright. Another insult in Jamaican, we have fool or moron or an imbecile. And what are the words for fool in Jamaican? Fool itself, idiot, batty boy, dopey, bumbawall, punk, junkro, backfoot, stacky, bobo, kunumunu, clamon, jankrobati, momo, boboli, booger, loggerhead, lolo, fassiwall, batimouth, baggerhead, butu, claffy, teflon, papito, baphomet, kinaki, chupidi, pussyclat, rasclat, quattro cinco, mama paul, bugiaga, mujin, poppit, warahun, babalu, pussywall, bongo, batty boy, tapsi, motherfucker, batman, bugiaga, bombo pussy rasclat. That is fool. Then we have words where a Jamaican will say nonsense, shit, crap, rubbish, tosh, cacophony. That is English. But what are the Jamaican equivalents for these words? 1. Bagger chat, fuckery, bomboclat, tralala, backside, friggery, poop, rasclat, pussyclat, shagry, corotol, bloodclat, labalaba, otak, ras, blowsnut, boopsy, fat, backs, all black, alms os, bomboclad, foolishness, ras, karachies, otak, bagatak. And then we have exclamation or expressions of either negative, disgust, anxiety, surprise, etc. and or positive shock, happiness, excitement, joy, anxiety, etc. Like Jesus Christ, oh my God, fuck, oh shit, damn. You left your beautiful wife in the house. You left her home, cooking, making the home look nice. You come back by surprise. You find a certain man on top of your wife, on your own bed, in your own bedroom. How does a Jamaican scream? Ladies, Men, listen to me. Oh, this is it. That is negative. It is disgust. It is surprise, shock. That is negative shock. Huh? Your wife cheating on you. Your wife giving you ban, as we call it in Jamaican. Or you've been dating this beautiful chick for some time, giving her your money, calling her day and night, sending her all the sweet messages, good night, good morning, I love you so much, I can't do without you, I can't sleep without you, I can't eat without you, I can't live without you. And then she's giving you a deaf ear. She doesn't say anything. You send her money, no reply, no text to thank you. You're wondering what's up. And then after 2 years, you're dating the same girl. She's giving you a deaf ear. She doesn't want to love you. She doesn't want to fall in love with you. And all of a sudden, 31st December, oh my God, the same girl calls, yo, bien Yaad wagwan. You simply, me there now. Wagwan. Not nagwan. At which part you there? She's asking, where are you? You reply, me there, me Yaad, you know. I'm here at my home, you know. Alright. Me a forward over there, sir. You know what that means? I'm coming over there. Me a forward over there, sir. You can't believe. Same chick you've been chasing her for all this time, all these days, all these years, and out of nowhere, same girl calls you that first at 7 p.m. coming to 10. Jesus Christ. Me a forward over there, so make sure, say, the bed well laid, everything crisp, everything shut, everything check. Come here forward, Zin. You can't believe what you shout. All these words include ratted, blows and skirts, bangrang, back's cover, back foot, kiss me neck, backside, blowable, bumpy dog, blood fire, chaw, blow wow, rasclat, blows nut, bombo nut, raswall, blood clat, bombo clat, cha, bontikila, ladamasi, chano, miras, bread and cheese, jism, madas, jism bread, omiji, jizan, masmilad, ao, fokri, migrant bakaban, me dead no, in a me left breast, jism peas, cockfat, water stress, fuck, bombo pussy rasclat, batticlat, pussyclat, fassyclat, boompaclat, bongrook school, brown fall, blotnut, kakaras, madas. All those can either be used positively in shock or negatively in shock. Positively in happiness, negatively in sorrow or sadness or anger, anxiety. Ladies and gentlemen, in English we say, I don't care about your damn business. I don't give a damn about your damn money. I don't give a fuck about your fucking love. I don't give a damn about your damn woman. I don't give a fuck about your fucking husband, your damn house. How does this relate in Jamaican Patois still? Me no G blood clot boat ya, blood clot business, bombo clot money, ras clot love, bombo pussy ras clot woman, pussy clot husband, bombo not house. That is the equivalent of damn business, damn money, blood clot woman, etc. And then, who are the quarrelsome people? who are the quarrelsome viragos, who are the quarrelsome women in Jamaican. We call them Tegereg, Butu, Grumpas Back, Wabat, Pankut, Mogul. And then we have in Jamaican, we use negative words to compliment someone, or we use them positively. For instance, you may say in English, that son of a bitch Messi can dribble. That son of a bitch Messi can dribble, man. That bitch Ronaldo can play football, man. And then, how do you say that? That son of a bitch Messi can dribble, man. Da bombo pussy rasclat Messi can salad, man. Listen me. Da pussy clat Messi can salad, man. Ima go salad all the player them pan pitch, and ima go put the ball in the net, you know. Hola Nancy. Watch me. So, you're using negative words to compliment someone, something that is so extraordinary. Sin, da kiaya, bombo clat nice. This guy is damn nice. Miguel, pussy clat, cute. My girl is fucking cute. So, complimenting someone, you may use blood clot, ras clot, pussy clot, bombo pussy ras clot, son of a bitch. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Brein, Yaad, coming to life from Jaad People's Camp. Yeah, you can reach me out on Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, YouTube, and all them social media platform them. Done. Blessings. Big up. See ya.